Hey everyone, it's your favorite streamer and content creator, The Potato King, with a tutorial that was highly requested. I'll be teaching y'all a beginner and free way to make your own loyalty badges, aka sub badges. I'll be providing all the links and software I use to create the badges in the description below. So to get started, you need to pick a few pictures from this website called Kisco that provides copyright-free stock photos that can be used commercially and for personal use. There is no need to make an account or download extra software. Make sure to save the pictures in the highest quality available. After you have selected and saved a few pictures, head over to pixlr.com, which is a free picture editing software. You must scroll down and click in the pink text that says looking for an older version. Again, you must scroll down and click on the green text that says Pixlr Editor. Make sure to enable the Adobe Flash plugin. I'll be making a star that evolves into different rarities. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a PNG style star, so I had to make my own. To make a PNG picture, I had to use the wand tool, which lets you select large areas in a picture to erase or edit. I also used the free transform tool, which is under the edit tab. Holding shift while free transforming will prevent your picture from becoming too uneven. Right clicking on layers will also bring down a menu that lets you add layer styles. I personally use the outer and inner glow to create thick outer lines where there is none. Make sure to save your files as PNG if they are supposed to be transparent. Now that I have a star that is transparent except for the outline, I can now add different backgrounds into the design. To add a picture as a different layer, click on the layers tab and select open image as layer. Use the tools I show you to create a PNG picture. To move, select and erase sections of the image to your liking. For the last few sub emotes, I'll be doing a time lapse just to speed it up for you guys. But once we're done with these, I'll be showing you guys how to resize and upload your sub badges. Now to access the loyalty badges, right click on your logo on the top right corner, scroll down and hit on Creator Dashboard, hit the left corner in Streamer Manager, scroll down to Preferences and hit the Affiliate Loyalty Badges. You will see you need three sizes, a 72 pixels, a 36 pixels, and an 18 pixels. So the last step is resizing your sub badges before uploading. The software I like to use is called Photo 3D, which lets you resize all your images for free without distorting the image. So to resize the image, hit canvas. Make sure you're showing your canvas. Make sure the canvas is transparent if you are doing a PGN file. Go ahead and make sure the lock aspect ratio is on checked and make sure resize image is checked. Go ahead and put the width and the height the same thing, which will be 72, 36, and 18. Now the last step is just uploading them to your Twitch, man. Enjoy your new Twitch sub badges, and I'm guessing you might be a new affiliate, man. Congrats, man.